There's a lot to love about Facebook, but one of the best utilities is keeping track of your friends' birthdays. No longer do you have to memorize the birthdays of the people closest to you. Thanks to Facebook, managing all the important birthdays in your life is easier than ever. If you're looking to find your friends' birthdays on Facebook so that you don't have to wait for a notification, here's how to do it. If you're using a computer, open your web browser and head to Facebook's website. Then look for Events under the Explore tab to the left of your newsfeed. Once you're in the Events tab, open Birthdays in the left side menu, and you'll be able to view your entire list of birthdays sorted by upcoming dates. Once you pass the next week or two, Facebook will group friends together by month so that you can easily roll over your friends' profile pictures to view both names and dates. If you're looking for a specific friend's birthday, using the Events page might seem a bit tedious as you dig through profile pictures. Instead, go directly to their profile and click on About. The About tab automatically opens on Overview, and to the right, you'll see your friend's birthday. On mobile, it's not as easy to find all of your friends' birthdays. Though there is an Events tab in the Facebook app, it's exclusively focused on finding events near you, not on your friends' birthdays, which doesn't help you find out when you should be planning your party or buying a gift. So instead, you'll need to head directly to a friend's profile to check out their birthday. Search out your friend's name, then click on the link to see their About info at the top of the page. Scroll down to the Basic Info tab, then look for the Birthday section to show when they were born. Keep in mind that birthdays are one of the things you can hide using Facebook's privacy options, so you may not be able to see when someone was born no matter where you look in the app. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering social media and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.